really don't know which one to choose.
Well, I have an idea. Just take them all to decorate each room.
Evie, you always have the best idea. Anyway, we have a really big home.
So true.
Hello lovely crafters, welcome back to my show. Happy December! Of course, it's time to shop for some Christmas trees. To make a Christmas tree, we need to make a cone by drawing a quarter circle. You can use a compass, but if you think the size is limited, you can also use a ruler. This is how to use a ruler as the compass to draw a circle or a quarter circle. About the size, of course, it's up to you, whether you'd like to make a big tree or the small one. Well, I'd like to make various sizes of them. And then we need to bend the cardstock paper like this to become a cone. But it's not that easy, especially for the small one. The smaller, the trickier. So this is what I do to bend it neatly. You need to score the paper like this. I know it's not really a cone, but it doesn't matter. It's not gonna be seen after being a tree. Okay, now we're ready to glue it like this. I recommend you to use hot glue. Finishing the upper part is the trickiest one, but don't worry, you don't have to make it perfect. And here's my bigger one. As you see, I don't need to use the scoring lines to bend the paper. The bigger, the easier. And then let's turn them into trees using some Christmas garland. Just use your favorite color. Well, I cannot choose which one is my favorite, so I'm gonna make 4 trees. You don't need to glue the whole surface. You can just put the glue bit by bit like this. Well, my first one is not perfect. I found a bold area, so just fix it. And here's my first 2 small trees. It's about 18 centimeters and 25 centimeters tall. I think I have to trim this area a little bit to make it pointy because it's too fluffy. Looks better. And about this small garland, I'm gonna use it to decorate the tree without the glue. It's so easy to shape because it's actually soft wire. Avoid to use glue to decorate it so you can change it easily next year. Oh, I have some leftover. Let's make a Christmas wreath. It's definitely a 5 minutes craft. Look, it's so easy with no any glue. And then of course we need some Christmas balls. You can use some pom-pom like this, or maybe some pearly beads like this, or maybe your own idea. And this is the biggest star-shaped bead I can find. Let's just use it. But I still need some extra hook for the ball because I don't want to put it with glue. So I'm using some soft wire to make it. So it's going to be like earring like this. So you can put it easily just like putting an earring. And here's my final result of my small Christmas trees. And here's my bigger trees. It's about 32 and 38 centimeters tall. And this is my favorite, the fluffiest one. I'm using this kind of big fat garland and it nails it. And because the tree is kinda big, I'm using some real Christmas balls. Choose the smallest size, it's about 3 centimeters diameter. And to add the hook, I'm using another soft wire like this. And of course, you'll need some little gifts. Just make them out of leftover boxes, cut them into pieces, and wrap them with any kind of paper like origami paper or any kind you like. And now I think we are so ready for Christmas. And in various size, you can store it easily like this. I really hope you like this show. I guess this is my last video of 2024. See you again next year and happy holiday!